Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Winn Dixie points. Winn Dixie is a popular supermarket chain that offers a rewards program to its customers, allowing them to earn and redeem points on their purchases. To start using Winn Dixie points, you need to sign up for the Winn Dixie rewards program. You can do this by visiting the Winn Dixie website or by downloading the Winn Dixie app on your mobile device. Once you have signed up, you will receive a rewards card that you can use to earn points on your purchases. To earn points, simply present your rewards card at the checkout counter every time you make a purchase at Winn Dixie. You will earn 1 point for every dollar you spend. And you can also earn bonus points on certain items and during special promotions. The points you earn can be redeemed for discounts on your future purchases. For every 100 points you earn, you will receive $1 off your next purchase. You can redeem your points at the checkout counter by presenting your rewards card and telling the cashier that you would like to use your points. In addition to earning points on your purchases, you can also use the Winn Dixie app to clip digital coupons and add them to your rewards card. This will allow you to save even more money on your purchases. To get the most out of the Winn Dixie rewards program, make sure to use your rewards card every time you make a purchase and take advantage of bonus point offers and digital coupons. You can also track your points balance and available rewards on the Winn Dixie app or website. By following these steps and using the Winn Dixie rewards program, you can save money on your grocery purchases and make the most of your shopping experience at Winn Dixie. Remember to always use your rewards card and take advantage of available offers to maximize your savings.